players behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let the fuel fly. All right. It's pretty even right now. Red and blue. Red taking a slight advantage. But here comes the Blue Alliance right back. Pretty close. (43-44). Red Alliance by 1, but they continue to shoot. All right, it's Blue Alliance. They have their active hub. They're gathering fuel, really moving about, trying to get where they need to go. 54-27 on the Alliance zone. So is 10-118. Here we go. Starting to launch these, and it's Red's turn. Really quick, 25-83, Orange Dynamite trying to score. Robonauts 118 also scoring. That's like so many fuel that Orange Dynamite can hold. There's 118 scoring a bunch, collecting more. 118 likes to get right outside of the trench and release. All right, back over to Blue Alliance. Your hub is now active. Human players and Robot both scoring. That's 54-27, Steel Talent scoring. Here comes 10-118 lining up. And a whole bunch of fuel going up. 54-27, 10-118 scoring for Blue Alliance. Getting ready to switch over to Red. Here come those Robonauts. 45-97 and 25-83, Orange Dynamite lining up. They're well over 100 already. They are energized up to about 231, 240. End game, both hubs active. Here comes 10-118, Blue Alliance getting ready. Red Alliance. Robonauts 118 going up for a level 3 climb on the tower. Orange Dynamite getting ready to score. Blue Alliance human pairs are scoring. 2, 1, and time. Alliance winning that match 313 to 130. 328 is the high score so far. 328.